Along with me, the Honorable Minister for the Revenue, Labour and IT, Madam Jennifer Monserrat, the President of the Goa Technical Association, all the delegates here, IT entrepreneurs, businessmen, startup representatives from the IT stakeholders, my friends from the media. It's a good evening to all of you. It is indeed great pleasure to be here. When I looked at the invitation, I thought about the information technology industry of Goa. I was reminded of the Chinese bamboo plant, and we make a pit and plant the small bamboo shoot. We water it regularly for the first year, but there is hardly growth. There is no twins or birds. In the second year, again there is hardly any growth. No twins, no birds. The same thing for the third year, for the fourth year. And again, but then there is a magic. In the fifth year, the bamboo stops being a small plant. It stops behaving like a grass, big and green. Then instead of being grows at the first phase, it grows a foot every day. It becomes a 20 feet tall in a 5 weeks. It is then the people notice it. The IT industry in the Goa, it is grown like a Chinese bamboo. The same plant. Initially the sector has unnoticed by the public. Now suddenly we have grown the IT industries. But I think the IT industry has grown in Goa from the 2014 to 19. We shoot up like very much in this industry. The industry has grown like the small participant in organic growth. There have been the startup, merger, the international ties and sales. There has been great software developer in the state of Goa. I am happy to notice that the Goa is providing the software for the world. The IT professional from the Goa has given the software in the banking, the airline ticketing, hospitality, and mainly in other fields. The IT industries is a non-polluting and requires a small minimum land. The Goan students are being absorbed from the 5 engineering colleges and 5 innovation centers. The sector is employing the students from the leading technological institute of the IIT Goa and the PITS Pilani. There are the co-working space. And the most importantly, the Goa is now close to the 200 IT companies and including the startups in the state. Some time back, the young Goans are migrating outside the state. But now I'm happy to note that so many are coming back. It is an achievement in the state of Goa. I must compliment to the IT Technology Association. The activity of the GTA have created the much awareness, and we are able to see the youth employed the more within the state itself. And the association is good for the society and the association can take the bigger project and the unique challenges in the project in the Goa. The GTA can help the change in the impression of the Goa from the touristic state to being the IT hub state in the state. So according to me, the GTA has the talent in the health tech, the fintech, agrotech, the marine architecture and engineering, aerospace engineering, oil and gas technology, the internet things in the blockchain. We can also have the one unicorn house Goa. This is the employment generation of the best kind that my government has keen to promote, because the IT is a clean and green industry. My government is an industry friendly and has focused the agenda on to encourage the startup. The many proposals have stuck in the IT have been clear, and there have been the many policies decisions that my government has taken. The IT and the startup policy in 2017 has been a game changer. Already there is 100 companies are registered, and over the 30 have already been beneficiaries of this policy. Rupees 33 lakhs have been approved as the incentives for this company. And we are proud to say that we are the second state in India to have introduced the implemented policy in a record time. The software technology parks in India, centers in Udyog Bhavan is also immensely benefiting by the IT sectors. The 1.5 lakh square meter being set aside for the IT park. And electronic system design and manufacturing parks have also been made ready to be available. My government has undertaken the bold move to sign the MOU with the Google and eHub in Hyderabad in order to bring the world-class technology. Our aim to the future arrives already the high level of the IT industry. There is a framework of the ease of setting up the IT companies in developing talukas through the Investment Promotional Board. The IPB is one-stop shop for the IT startup. The EDC has already the preferably lending for the lending rates such as the company. My government has been the faster for pushing through the use of the taxi app, which is the Goa policy, Goa Miles. It is helping to the tourism sector. You can expect more robust policy initiatives from my government in future. My administration has been directed to work on making the tender criteria more suitable for the Goan IT companies. The future is bright in the years to come, as these policy initiatives are not limited to the IT sector, but the government has worked on the SHEC policy. And for the tourism, there will be the IIT coming up at a Sattari, we had already declared in our last cabinet. There is this IIT for in Sattari, it is developing for the Sattari Taluka, Pittori Taluka and whole of the state. We are also looking for the medical wellness tourism in the state of Goa. However, I know that the IT sector in Goa, under the able leadership of Honorable Minister Mrs. Monsara, definitely this sector will develop more and more. There are some people who are patient. The speed with these policy decisions are taken. We must realize that we Goans are working until now with the PMO. They have been the bold and initiative decision taken by the PMO in the center, passing of the Triple Talaq Bill. Abrogations of the Article 370 and 35A. There is a merger of the bank to receive the economy. I would like to congratulate the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji for this decision. All of them have taken in the interest of the country. What is doing in the center, and we have equally put an effort from the state. And we need to improve our state's economy, and we have to improve our education, we have to improve our employment. This is exactly where the association like the GTA is coming into the picture. I wish you to go into the world and mark your presence and felt the world of IT. As you grow, the name of our lovely state of Goa will also grow. I am also glad to know that you will be taking part in the vibrant Goa, where you will be showcasing the achievements of the Goa. You will meet the delegates from the different parts of the world and also the India.